Hello student, myself Aishwarya Dhamnekar, lecturer in Department of Science and Humanities. So today we will discuss conic section. So in the last class we have discussed parabola and hyperbola. So in this lecture we will going to study ellipse and some properties of ellipse, and based on that properties we have to solve some problems. Fine. So first, ellipse. The ellipse is a conic section whose eccentricity is less than 1. So standard formula for ellipse is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equals to 1. Now you can see the diagram of the ellipse. Okay, I have given diagram of the ellipse. You can see it. Based on that, one by one we will see the properties of the ellipse. So first one, we are having x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equals to 1. In the second column, you can see if a is greater than b, then you have to apply this formula. Okay, so you can see vertex, that is plus or minus a and 0. Okay, where it is beside the s and z, you can see the vertex. Okay, then you are having major axis a dash, that is equals to 2a, minor axis b dash, that is equals to 2b, and that is foci, that is s is equals to plus or minus ae 0. Distance between foci, that is 2ae. Equation of directrix, x is equals to plus or minus a divided by e. Distance between directrix 2a divided by e. Then coming to the eccentricity, e square is equals to a square minus b square divided by a square. Then you are having length of LR, that is L dash is equals to 2b square divided by a. Then end points of LR, that is L dash is equals to AE comma plus or minus b square divided by a, and last one is L1 dash plus in the bracket minus AE comma plus or minus b square divided by a. These are the properties when a is greater than b. Okay, so beside that you are having when a is less than b. Okay, so first we will find here L1 and L dash are the two directrix of the ellipse, and given ellipse is, that is L dash L1 L on the x and y axis. So first example, find the coordinate of foci, the vertices, the length of latus rectum and eccentricity of an ellipse. So what is the given equation? X square divided by 36 plus y square divided by 16 is equals to 1. So given equation is x square divided by 36 plus y square divided by 16 is equals to 1. Compare it with the standard equation of ellipse, that is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equals to 1. Now compare the value of a square and b square. So what is value of a square is 36, value of b square is 16. So a is equals to 6, b is equals to 4. So here a is greater than b. So eccentricity e square is equals to a square minus b square divided by a square. What is value of a square? 36 minus 16 divided by 36. You will get 20 divided by 36. So e square is equals to 20 divided by 36. So what is value of e? Root of 20 divided by 36. So root 20 keep it as it is, and root of 36 is 6. Now you know the values of a and b. Write formula for foci, that is plus or minus ae and 0, plus or minus value of a is 6, root of 20 divided by 6 comma 0. So 6 and 6 will get cancel. So what is the answer? Plus or minus root 20, 0. Then vertex V is equals to plus or minus a comma 0. Then plus or minus value of a is 6 and 0. Then next 2b square divided by a. So what is value of b square? It is 16. So 2 into 16 divided by 6. So 32 divided by 6. So you can divide it by 2. So you will get 16 divided by 3. Okay, here it is same as the hyperbola. First you have to compare it with the standard form. Find the a square b square. Then find the value of a and b. And then simplification. As you know the formulas, you have to write the formula and then just simplify it. Question number 2. Find any 5 properties of ellipse, that is x square divided by 64 plus y square divided by 100 is equals to 1. Now compare it with the standard form, that is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square. So what is value of a square? 64. Value of b square is 100. So a is equals to 8 and b is equals to 10. Here b is greater than a. So you have to use formulae from second column. So eccentricity is equals to e square is equals to b square minus a square divided by b square. So what is the eccentricity? 100 minus 64 divided by 100. So you will get 36 divided by 100. So it is nothing but e square. So 36 divided by 100. So we want value of e. So root of 36 divided by 100. Root of 36 is 6 and root of 100 is 10. So you can write it as 3 by 5. Next, measure axis b dash is equals to 2b. Value of b is 10. So 2 into 10 is 20. Next, measure axis a dash is equals to 2a. 2 into 8 is 16. Next, foci, that is s is equals to 0, b plus or minus b e. So 0 as it is plus or minus value of b is 10 and e is 3 by 5. So 5 you can cancel with the 10. So it is plus or 0 plus or minus 6. Then last one, length of LR. L dash is equals to 2a square divided by b. So you can write 2 into 64 divided by 10. So 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. So 64 divided by 5. Next, last sum. Find any 5 properties of ellipse. This 16x square plus 25y square is equals to 100. Now you can't compare this equation with the standard form because our standard form is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equals to 1. So you have to make RHS is equals to 1. So how to make RHS is equals to 1? Divide whole equation by 400. So it becomes 16x square divided by 400 plus 25y square divided by 400 is equals to 400 divided by 400. So what you will get? X square divided by 25 plus y square divided by 16 is equals to 1. Now this equation compare with the standard form, that is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equals to 1. Now compare the values of a square and b square. A square is 25, so a is equals to 5 and b square is 16, so b is 4. Here a is greater than b. Then find the eccentricity. E square is equals to a square minus b square divided by a square. So minus 25 minus 16 divided by 25, 9 divided by 25. So E is equals to root of 9 divided by 25. So we will get 3 by 5. So again note the formulas one by one. So vertex is equals to plus or minus a comma 0. So plus or minus 5 and 0. Next you are having foci, that is S is equals to plus or minus AE 0. What is value of A? 5. So plus or minus 5, 0. Then foci plus or minus AE comma 0. So plus or minus A is 5 and E is 3 by 5. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So you will get plus or minus 3 and 0. Then equation of directrix, x is equals to plus or minus AE. So what is value of A? 5 and E is 3 by 5. So 5 you shift upside, so it becomes 25 divided by 3. Next you are having length of LR. So it is 2b square A. So what is value of b square? 2 into 16 divided by 5. So 2 into 16 means it is 32 divided by 5. You can keep it as much, no problem, because no need to use the calci again, you will get in decimals. Okay, is it clear? First write the equation, compare it with the standard form, and then find the value of a square, b square. Then from that get the value of a and b. After that find the eccentricity. Then you can write the formula and simplify. This completes your first chapter. Okay, thank you.